and autos in focus as GST has slammed the brakes on the June auto sales. Maruti sees an over 20% drop in the volumes, but M&M manages to beat expectations. The pre-GST sentiment has also hit Tata Motors passenger vehicle sales. Let's get in Karunya, who joins in with the latest numbers and break it down for us. It's a mixed bag for auto sales numbers this month.
It is a mixed bag, but overall, if you see, it has been a slightly tepid month. Usually June is anyways a slightly low on volumes when it comes to auto sales, but this time around, because of the pre-GST buying sentiment among the customers, they were a little apprehensive to make purchases. So on the GST front also, the sales have been slightly low because of that. But however, Maruti is one company which continued to outperform its peers. The sales were up by 7.6% for the month of June, coming in at 1.06 lakhs. If you look at Tata Motors and M&M, both of them have again posted a decline. M&M was almost flat with a marginal decline of about 2.5% for the month of June. Tata Motors, however, has gone on the record and says it is the pre-GST impact which has impacted their PV sales this time around. The overall sales for Tata Motors are lower by about 9.5 to 10%. If you look at two-wheelers, Eicher Motors has beaten the market expectations. The sales have come in at 63,160 units for the month of June, up by about 25%. And if you look at TVS Motors as well, that has also come in at higher by about 11%. However, Bajaj Auto is something that continues to remain weak. The sales for the month of June have declined 23% on a year-on-year basis. And even in the three-wheeler segment, Bajaj has posted a decline of 25% this time around. If you look at CV segment, Ashok Leyland has been above expectations. In fact, the street was expecting a decline of about 10% this time around. However, they've posted an uptick in their volumes in the month of June at 11%. Escorts, however, again, the sales have come down by 17%, coming at 5,776 units for the month of June. The domestic sales, however, for Escorts have posted a growth of 12%. It is the wholesale segment which has suffered, perhaps because of, again, the retailers were pushing to clear their existing inventory, and they weren't actually making too many purchases from the factory. And lastly, there is SML Isuzu, again down by 15.4%. Commercial vehicles were in any case expected to be lower this time around. Atul Auto June sales were also almost flat, coming in at 3,288 units for the month of